If you want to create a landing page on Squarespace, this tutorial will walk you through the fastest way to build a clean, focused page that is designed to convert visitors into leads or customers. A landing page is perfect for promoting a product, collecting email signups, sending traffic to a special offer, or directing people to a booking page. And the best part is, you can do all of this right inside Squarespace without needing any code. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple website tutorials. Let's start by logging into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you are inside, look at the main menu and click Website, then Pages. This is where all of your site pages are managed. Now scroll down past your main menu items until you find the Not Linked section. This area is ideal for landing pages because it keeps the page separate from your main navigation, which helps your visitors stay focused on the goal of the page. Next, click the plus icon next to Not Linked. Squarespace will give you a few options here. You can choose blank page if you want to build everything from scratch, or you can browse page layouts if you want to start with a pre-made design preset. If you want the fastest setup, a layout can save you time. But if you want full control over the structure, a blank page is usually the better choice. After that, give your page a clear name. For example, you might call it Summer Launch Page, Free Consultation Page, or Product Waitlist Page. A simple and descriptive name helps you stay organized as your site grows. Once the page is created, click Edit in the top left corner of the page preview. This is what unlocks the layout workspace and allows you to start building the actual landing page design. Now, it's time to structure the page. Click Add Section and choose a blank section if you want a clean canvas. If you prefer, you can also select a style template block such as a form section or a headline container. The goal here is to keep the design focused and avoid distractions. A landing page works best when everything points toward one action. Once your section is in place, click Add Block. This is where you add the core conversion elements that make your landing page effective. Start with a text block. In this block, write a strong headline that clearly explains the offer. Then add a short description underneath it so visitors immediately understand the value. Keep the wording direct, simple, and benefit-driven. Next, add a form block if your goal is to collect leads. This is one of the most important parts of the page because it lets you capture visitor names and email addresses. Make the form as clean and easy as possible. Usually the fewer fields you ask for, the better the conversion rate. If you only need a name and email, keep it there. Don't overcomplicate it. Then add a button block. This button should stand out visually, so use a high contrast color and make the text action-oriented. For example, you could say, "Get started," "Book now," or "Claim your spot." Make sure the button points directly to the next step, whether that is your checkout page, your calendar scheduler, or another important destination. At this point, you can start refining the layout. Drag, drop, and stretch the grid frames until everything feels centered and balanced on the screen. Squarespace makes it easy to adjust spacing, so take a moment to line up your text, form, and button in a way that feels polished and professional. A great landing page should look intentional, not crowded. As you build, remember that simplicity is your friend. A landing page is not the place for a giant menu, lots of links, or too many competing messages. Keep the visitor focused on one goal and one call to action. That single focus approach is what helps landing pages perform better. Once the layout looks good, preview your page and check how it appears on desktop and mobile. This is an important step because your landing page needs to look clean on every device. If anything feels too wide, too small, or too close together, go back and adjust the spacing before publishing. When you are happy with the result, save your changes and publish the page. Your landing page is now live and ready to send traffic to from ads, emails, social media, or anywhere else you want to promote it. If you want more Squarespace tutorials like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. And if this helped you build your landing page faster, leave a comment and let me know what type of page you are creating. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.